Hi friends, welcome to Teen Takeout Crafts. Since we can't have crafts in the library at this time, we thought we would do some fun takeout crafts, and so we're putting them in really cute little takeout containers. So all your supplies are in one little container for you to take home and create. This month we are creating a little trinket dish that's going to look like this, that you can put your stuff in or other fun things. So inside your craft kit, you're going to have everything you need except for a pair of scissors. You might need those. And you're going to need something kind of smooth to rub the vinyl onto your image. It's not something rough. So if you use like a dime, that will not be a good thing to use. It'll scrape up the vinyl. So you're going to want something smooth. Your library card is a really great idea. Or you could use the back of a spoon. If your moms or dads are crafters, or if you're a crafter, you might have like a bone tool that you can use to flatten, but anything nice and soft will work just great. The supplies, the vinyl, I want to talk to you a little bit about that. The vinyl that is in your kit, you have three. One says stuff, one says bling, and another one has a little dollar sign on it. I just want to let you know that those images were cut using our Cricut machine downstairs at the library in our makerspace. And if you're not familiar with the makerspace, you need to come check it out. It's got really cool things in it. So come see it, come try it, and you can make so many awesome things with it, with the vinyl. Shirts, you can make vinyl images for water bottles, all kinds of cool things. So check it out. Let's get started. All right, friends, so after you unpack your craft kits, you're going to find that you have an empty little dish. And again, to review, we have three different vinyl sayings that say stuff, bling, or a dollar sign. And then you have a piece of clear vinyl in your kit. So what you're going to need to do first is decide which one of these slogans or phrases do you want to use. Do you want to make one that says stuff, bling, or the dollar sign? I think today I'm going to try the dollar sign. Your first step is going to be is that you're going to need to peel away the vinyl that you do not want. You want to leave what you want to put in your dish. So hopefully that makes sense. Peel away the garbage, keep the good stuff. And so to do that, you just start peeling on the corner just like you would a regular sticker and peel it all the way off until you get your image. So after you get your image weeded, that's what they call taking away the old stuff. After you get it weeded, you're going to need this piece of clear vinyl that you have, and it has a little grid on the back of it, which is kind of fun. So you're going to do the same thing with that one. You're going to peel away that clear vinyl, and you're going to adhere it over the top of your good piece of black vinyl. And so lay it down as carefully as you can without air bubbles and kind of flatten it with your finger first. And get it on there really good and tight. And then you're going to want to use that item that I told you were going to need, like the spoon or your library card or something kind of nice and flat to smooth it out with. Now, this is kind of silly, but this is what I have handy. This is my key to the library. I am going to use this to rub over the top. And so you just want to keep going back and forth over the top of your black vinyl so it sticks. You want to give a little bit of pressure. So you want to go back and forth over that so it's on there good and tight and get all those air bubbles off. So this is what it will look like. Okay, so your next step is to remove the clear vinyl. So you're going to kind of peel it apart and slowly, 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 you're going to pull that clear vinyl off. And if you can see that, Look at that. My black image is actually sticking to the clear vinyl. That's what you want to happen. Now, no matter how many times you try this, occasionally it's not going to stick all the way. So if you get to the point where you see that, uh-oh, it's not sticking, well, then just pause what you're doing, grab your item again, and just rub a little more in that area, and then slowly keep peeling. You do not want to peel quickly, friends, because it will not be successful. And I kind of like to go at a little bit of an angle versus straight down. To me, that works a little easier, but you can do it either way. So you pull, pull, pull until that image is just on your clear vinyl. It's called transfer paper, transfer tape. So friends, our last step is to place your image inside your dish. Now on my sample that I had with stuff, I made it crooked or at the diamond shape. You can make it this direction as well. So whatever you prefer, whatever looks the best to you. So you are going to take your image and decide where you want it positioned. You could even, I guess I didn't measure this, but you could see if it could go on the outside too. If you're using one of the words, you wouldn't necessarily have to put it on the inside. You can put it on the outside also. So whatever you want to do, it's your art project. So I'm going to place this in here. And I think personally, I think it's easiest to kind of, like I call it rolling it down. You don't want to just plop it flat. You want to kind of stick it down that way. It works a little easier. So again, friends, we are just going to roll that sticker down. And so I think I'm going to put mine like this. And so I'm actually going to kind of bow it and then roll down this time because of the size of my transfer tape. So that's how I'm going to approach it. And those grids on that tape kind of help you get it centered a little more if you are worried about that. I am not worried about it being perfect personally. I kind of like it a little off kilter. So I'm going to use my thumb like we did earlier and kind of just press it down in there and get it good and tight. And then after I do that, you're going to want your tool again, and you're going to do the same thing that you did before, where you're just going to kind of go back and forth and really rub that on there. And if you're using the word, make sure you go all across the whole word until it's stuck on pretty tight. And so it's going to look just like this. Now, you could leave the transfer tape on there, but it doesn't look near as fun. So I think it's best to pull that off because that's just a tool for you to use to get your image on there. So you're going to peel up the corner of that transfer tape and slowly, slowly, slowly peel it away. And this is another one of those instances where you kind of want to keep an eye on it and do it slowly because you might not need to rub a little more. So just slowly peel away and it keeps coming off until it is done and you have your trinket dish. So friends, thanks for crafting with us today on our team takeouts. Again, if you liked this project a lot and you want to try more, visit our makerspace. There's information on our webpage about all the awesome tools that we have down there. So many things you can do. These would be great gift ideas for friends for Christmas or for your family. So tune in next month. We have another teen takeout project coming up. You're going to love the next one. It's a little intro to macrame. So check out our activities on our webpage. We have all kinds of programs going on for kids and adults. So if you like this one, check it out and get signed up for the next one. Thanks for participating. We'll see you soon.